Hey GoTrax riders, welcome to Electric Scooter World. In today's video, we'll show you how to reset your GoTrax scooter. If you're having issues with your scooter, a reset might just do the trick. Let's get started. First, make sure your GoTrax scooter is turned off. This is important to ensure the reset process works correctly. Next, press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. You'll see the LED lights on the scooter start to flash. Keep holding the button until they stop flashing. Once the lights stop flashing, you can release the power button. This indicates that your scooter has been successfully reset. And that's it. Your GoTrax scooter should be reset and ready to go. If you're still experiencing issues, check your user manual or contact GoTrax support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more electric scooter tips and tricks.